Hi, we are the Bevonauts. I'm Claire. We have Ivan, Fabian, Michael, and Javier. And for our NASA challenge topic, we have the platform for Lunar Follow Me camera drone. And to pass it off to Fabian for project objectives.
The objective of the project is to design a drone platform that follows and records astronauts for up to 20-minute deployments. And now we're passing it to Michael for propulsion.
Our propulsion system will be comprised of a compressed air system, which delivers compressed air to four nozzles, which are controlled open and closed by solenoid valves, and passing it back to Yvonne for tracking.
So for tracking, we're going to be implementing Bluetooth low energy technology. This involves a combination of a beaker and a scanner, and the low power consumption mixed with the short range precision will create an ideal combination on the moon where range is infinite, essentially, but power is not. And passing it to Javier for controls.
So lastly, for controls, an Arduino and an accelerometer are going to be the main things that we're going to be using for flight stabilization, using the accelerometer outputs, and then we're going to be using PID controllers to control the angle of the drone. Passing it off to Michael for closing remarks.
Thanks for your support and consideration. We are
NASA's
NASA's
Space
Space
Grant.
Grant.
Grant.